Hello, what's up, y'all? It's popping this dude. About to react to this vid by Rent Free. This is Johnny Depp hilariously trolling Amber Heard and her lawyers in court. This shit is still ongoing. Still. I don't know when it ends. I don't know how long it's been going on. But this is still a thing. So we're about to keep reacting to it. Let's watch.
Hello there.
You'll see pictures of Mr. Depp's severed finger and learn about his emergency medical treatment for that injury.
He got them tears. Oh.
Bruh.
My dog stepped on a bee next to the bed.
Okay. Objection calls for hearsay. What the doctors told him.
Let me ask you a different question, Mr. Depp.
Let's let him object to another one.
Mr. Depp, I appreciate that. My only question was just to confirm that you had sent that message to Elton John, nothing else. Thank you.
So I'll just stop talking.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I want to be respectful of the court's time and the jury's time.
Sorry?
I just said I want to be respectful of the court's time and the jury's time, and I trust that you do too. So,
I don't feel like I'm wasting anyone's time. So
could you pull up Exhibit 408, please?
Really, nigga?
What is it?
How was Miss Heard celebrating her birthday?
a dinner for her. Rocky's boyfriend, who was some sort of chef. He asked her what she would like. That's hearsay, I guess.
You got it.
Okay, all right, well then.
I'm learning.
Take your pick. So we'll get it to you. How about that?
Oh, joy. Okay. All right, three, somebody's, we're gonna go with Claire's 380 right now, okay? Trying to keep the record clear. 380A and 33. 23.
She writes, "My throat is yours. You're going to be the
yes,
death of me.
bitch.
I don't care."
Oh,
and you write,
that...
"I have other uses for your throat. Have other uses for your throat, which do not include injury."
Sorry, could you read that again?
This is a picture of you on a.
I thought that's where she was
black
going
leather
with it,
couch,
but she wasn't.
passed
It
out,
was some
correct?
other shit, but whatever.
Passed out's an interesting way of putting it. Maybe asleep.
That's ice cream on your lap, correct?
It is indeed. Miss Heard asked me to hold the ice cream as she noticed that I was on the nod. That means falling asleep from the 17-hour day that I'd worked. If you'll notice, my right hand is in my pocket. So I wasn't participating in the festival of ice cream. She knew what was going to happen. That I would fall asleep and it would drop. And that was a wonderful picture to take for her.
Sure.
I don't know why she took it.
So it's Miss Heard's fault that that picture was taken. Is that what you're saying?
She snapped it.
With respect, trying to respect the court's time and the jury's time. That was not my question. My question was
I
simply,
understand when
you would
take 5
agree.
minutes to look for a
You would
document.
agree. You would.
If she wanted to go to bed, I'd say, well, I can't sleep, right now. And rather than go and just lay in a bed and stare at the ceiling, I would say, I'll just I'll be either watching TV or hanging out. And that was just not acceptable. I didn't understand why I, as a 50-something-year-old man, was not allowed to go to sleep under one.
She wanted some dick. She was mad.
You heard Miss Heard say, "Get off me," right?
No, I did not. I heard distant screaming, and I heard, "I'll talk to you later, I'll talk to you later." That she grew up. I'm sorry, I was talking. Is that all right?
You'd answer my question. We'll take a look at the next one. Thank you.
As long as you're happy, sir.
Oh, we got footage. What's happening? Wait, what does this prove? What's going on? Give me some details.
Wasted years on characters so ignorantly started to think of as my legacy. And that's what you're writing to Mr. Deuters, having been on the set of Pirates 5 for a couple of weeks.
My anger was that the screenplay was very lazily written, and I had to do a lot of rewriting.
But you don't deny that if a painting was defaced with a penis drawn on it, that could have been you, even if you were blacked out and don't remember that, correct?
This was no blackout. I know you love the word. It was no blackout. It was shock. it's also not impossible that Miss Heard may have thrown a penis on a painting somewhere.
What is
There are
happening
sayings,
here?
but it's an island. It's a very strange thing to say.
Was it your testimony that right after you cut your finger off, that you, or right after, I won't give you anything to argue with me yet. Sorry.
How often did Miss Heard bring your children into your arguments?
Too often.
At the end of your relationship, how was Miss Heard's relationship with your children?
Non-existent. My children,
Hate her.
my kids are far more intelligent than I am. I refused to be around her. I didn't like the way she treated me. So I sat down on the couch and I took my boots off. Suddenly Miss Heard approached with this look on her face. And she just said, "What did you just do? What did you do?" I said, "What do you mean? You took your boots off?" I said, "Yeah, yes I did. You were busy, you know." No, that's my job. That's what I do. You don't do that. I do that. Okay. All right then. Ms. Heard demeaned that young man to the point of tears. I had spoken to Ms. Heard and said, "That's just unacceptable. You have no right. You cannot always be right. You should try being wrong sometime because you might learn something."
You took Mr. Depp's arm to try to move him out, but he broke away, isn't that right?
Yes.
So he was strong enough to break away from your grip, correct?
No.
So you had his arm and he broke away, though, correct?
No.
What?
Isn't that what you just said?
No.
You let go.
We talked about judicial admissions. One was the op-ed itself. The second, and this is reflected.
Your Honor, if I could finish my argument, I mean, I would
understand.
appreciate.
I can't wait to oppose this.
I know, that's fine. Go ahead.
that
You don't know if it's humans, bots, my cat doing the searches, correct?
Objection has been answered, Your Honor. Sustained. Next question.
Now,
it was published on December 18th, 2018.
Doesn't that say December 19th, 2018?
December 18th, December 19th. This piece,
Oh.
in the middle of the page, is the opinion piece Ms. Heard wrote, right?
Could you make it a little bigger or
Sure.
any smaller?
And you understand, Mr.
Many
Depp,
things.
this was a document that you signed as part of your divorce proceedings, correct?
That's my signature indeed, yes.
Mr. Depp, that is your signature on the right, correct?
Yes, it is.
This is the document you signed, right?
For the third time, that is my signature, yes.
Go to paragraph 27, please. And that was a document you signed in August of 2016, correct?
Is that the same one that I signed 3 times before? Yes,
Yeah.
that's the fourth.
Well, I wanted to make clear that you signed
made it
that in
clear.
the summer of 2016.
Dude, I couldn't do it. If I was him, I would snap. I would snap in that courtroom. Like, I don't know how he does it. This is the most ridiculous court case I've ever seen. Obviously, I'm not seeing all of the details. I'm sure it gets even worse than this. And it's even more ridiculous than what I've seen in these compilations. But what the fuck? And this lawyer is fucking insufferable. Where did she find him? Or any of her lawyers that she has. I don't understand. It's just ridiculous. But I am wondering when this is going to be over. Because y'all keep sending me these compilations and this case just seems to be going on and on. When is it ending? I don't know. Somebody let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all thought though. Let me know what other videos I'm going to watch and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.